Alright, y'all, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how I install some Tinsel in my wig for a little, extraness. So I put my wig on my dummy head, and right here I'm just, combing back all the hairs. I section out the baby hairs when I do it because it's helped me to, see clearly how it's going to be styled on my head. So I section it out. And then you're going to take your small crochet needle. Now, if you order this from Amazon, it comes all together. Like the Tinsel and the crochet tool, it comes together. So I just choose my color of choice. I chose this pretty gold color. Like, look at that sparkle. Like, So I chose that. And I start to, unravel it and section off. I take a little section out. And then you could do 2 at a time or 1 string, but if you want it to be unnoticeable, I advise to do 1 or 2. So here, you're going to pull your crochet needle through, and you see, you don't want to rip the knots. So you're going to pull it through one of the holes in your lace, but you just want to do it gently. You see how it's wiggling there? And after you get it through, you're going to close the latch and pull it through gently. Like, as you can see, like, it's through the hole. So if you pull it rough, like, you will make holes all over your lace, and then eventually you're gonna have to throw it out because it's just messed up. So you just want to gently, like, shimmy it through, and then just loop it. You can loop it. I loop it once because it's so small that the knot is gonna stay. So I just do it once or twice. So, and there, like, it's invisible. Like, you could barely see it. So yeah, I just do that. I do it like in between the parts, or if it's like a gap in my wig, I just do it there. I don't have like a specific placement. I just do it wherever I think it looks best. But yeah, so that's what I do. I'm gonna come back when I do my edges. So yeah. So here I'm doing my edges. I'm doing the same thing that I did on the other side, just on my edges. So on my edges part, I always do 3, like 1 in the middle, 1 at the top, and 1 at the end. So yeah. So after that, I bladed on my hair. So this is how it looked. And I began to section out the style. So I'm doing that style where it's like all back with the braid. I don't know if you see it going around, but this is me just sectioning off my hair, parting it. Like, look at that glitter though. Like, I keep calling it glitter, tinsel, whatever. So yeah, I'm just parting my hair in the section of the hairstyle. So yeah. So now I'm just doing my edges just to, get them out the way. It's not perfect, like, some people don't like my edges because I do them too big, but whatever. Like, this is how I like them. So I'm just sectioning off my edges, swooping it with mousse, blah, blah, blah.
Refrigerator stack with steaks on steaks on steaks on steaks on steaks, butter, bacon, cheese, and lasagna in the tray. Meet an enormous man with an enormous hand. Feeds me snacks with his enormous hands, and I hope he asks me to be his winter wife, cause messing with a big boy will change you, Lord. It's cuffing season, all the girls be needing a big boy. I want a big boy.
Now to define the part even more, I'm going to use my wax stick and my hot comb to slick it down so it can stay in place and it can look more, unified or, togetherness. Listen, I don't know these hair terms, y'all, so bear with me, but Yeah. And, oh, and this wig wasn't a full. It wasn't like a 13 by 4. I think by 6. It was literally like a. It had a small part, so I just took some of my hair out. And yeah, and this is just me just defining the part on one side, on the other side, and the middle part. So the top part I did last because I wanted to just lay really sleek. So I tied those two together first, and then after I tied the two together in the back, I did the front. So this is me doing the front part. Flat iron it, getting it together, and see I tied it there. So this is how it look. So I just braided it and I loosened the braids a little bit, and that's how I did the style. It's very simple. It's a fun style. It's a cute style you could do. It looks very classy. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, share with a friend, comment below what else hairstyles you want to see me do, y'all. And I'm trying to become a YouTube girly, so give me some feedback. But yeah, I hope you like.